Alright guys, we're turning on our pipeline. So as you guys can see here, there's nothing around, but you go here, it spikes up. I don't know if you guys are able to see the light. Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we got an exciting video for you. We are doing a unboxing and test of this waterproof sewer camera. So we actually have a well on my parents' property that we're very curious what's down in it. I think there's just a little pipe and no one knows what it really is. So I'm excited to use this and test this out. See you guys in a bit. Alright guys, let's show you what's inside the box here. So they do have everything professionally covered, and it comes in this beautiful professional case. Alright guys, so check out this beautiful case. They also provide you a visual pipeline position detector. You turn it on. Now obviously there's interference inside the house, so we'll do that outside. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you get inside. Check it out, my friends. This is not your run-of-the-mill camera. This is a highly professional all-pipe camera. As you can see, highly built with good quality. Alright guys, so it has a built-in screen that is protected from the sunlight right in here, and you just connect this onto your system right in here. This is the battery pack, which connects to the camera as well. You got all kinds of different accessories down in here, so make sure you check everything out. Alright guys, so here is the camera. This is going to get connected to this end here. The camera goes right inside there. You connect it and you can spin it then and feed it through. Alright guys, so we got it connected, as you can see here. So you have record, play, menu, and power, and other stuff. So this is how it gets connected. You connect your LED, the red cable, to the LED DC, the video to the video. You connect on the other side here, video to the video. Charging cable right like this gets in there. So all this gets connected. Your on and off switch is right here. You can control your LED lights by this nozzle, which helps it if it's in a dark area. Overall guys, so far I'm absolutely loving this. This is one of the best setups I've ever seen for a sewer type camera and pipe camera. So let's go ahead and actually test this out. So guys, you pop the screen out and they provide you with an SD card for recording. Keep in mind that the SD card is only 8 gigabytes, so if you want more, you can definitely upgrade your SD card. Check out the manual to see how high you can go. Let's go ahead and test this out. Alright guys, we're turning on our pipeline. So as you guys can see here, there's nothing around, but you go here, it spikes up. I don't know if you guys are able to see the light. So right in here, we know there's a line. Well guys, as you saw, we wondered why things were moving a little bit slower. Now we know. We got a semi-blockage. Now we get to clean it out. So this product works great. The camera quality is great. The length is phenomenal. So thanks to this, we're able to save ourselves a ton of money from people coming out. And now we can actually start a side hustle and start doing this since we know how to use it. So it's a win-win for us.